Want more views on YouTube? Start with your thumbnail. Here's how to design one in Canva, fast and for free. Go to canva.com and click Create a Design. Choose YouTube thumbnail. It's automatically set to 1280 by 720 pixels. You can start with a blank canvas or pick one of Canva's free templates. Just choose something bold and readable. Use a solid color or blurred background to make your text pop. You can even upload a screenshot from your video. Add short, bold text, max 3 to 5 words. Use fonts like Anton, Bangers, Bibas Nua, and make sure it's readable on small screens. Upload a photo of yourself with an expressive face, or use a cutout image with the background removed using remove.bg for free. Zoom out to 10 or screenshot and preview it small. If you can still read it clearly, it's good to go. That's how to make eye-catching thumbnails in Canva. Like and follow for more smart design tips that grow your channel.